In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira and Slack, a step-by-step guide. By integrating these two powerful tools, you can streamline your workflows, keep your team up to date, and enhance overall productivity. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily connect Jira to your Slack workspace. To start, open your Slack workspace and look towards the sidebar. There you'll find the option labeled Browse Apps, or in some configurations, it might also be displayed as plus Add Apps. Click on this option to proceed to the app directory where you can explore a variety of integrations available for Slack. In the app directory, you will want to search for Jira Cloud. This is the app you need to integrate Jira with Slack. A quick search should bring up the desired application. When you see Jira Cloud in the results, click on it. You will then be directed to a new page specifically for adding this app to your workspace. Once you're on this new page, you'll see the Add to Slack button. Clicking this will initiate the process of integrating Jira Cloud with your Slack workspace. Slack will prompt you to follow some on-screen instructions to authorize Jira access to your Slack. Don't skip any steps, as this grants the necessary permissions for Jira to link with Slack and deliver updates seamlessly. After granting access, go to any channel within Slack where you wish to start receiving your Jira updates. It's best to choose a channel that is relevant to your ongoing projects or a team discussion channel. In this channel, you will type the command Jira Connect and hit enter. This command serves as a trigger to start the connection between Jira and Slack right in the channel of your choice. At this point, you'll see an option to connect Jira site. Click on this prompt and you'll be taken to a login page for Jira. Enter your credentials to log into Jira. A quick tip, make sure you're logging into the correct Jira account, especially if you're managing multiple instances, to prevent any mix-up of information being sent to your Slack channels. The final step involves selecting the specific Jira project you wish to connect. You'll be given a list of projects from your Jira account. Look through this list and select the one you're looking to link with your Slack channel. Once selected, your integration is complete, and there you have it. Your Jira and Slack are now connected. You should start receiving updates from your selected Jira project directly within your Slack channel. This integration will help ensure your team stays informed with real-time updates, enhancing communication and project management efficiency. If you have any questions or face any issues, feel free to revisit these steps. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.